Hey snare drummers, thanks for watching. Today, we're going to do our solo number 5 from our Alfred book. Solo number 5 uses our dotted 8th and 16th pattern. It's marked moderato, quarter note equals 112 beats per minute. Now for today's video, we're going to take it slightly slower, 90 beats per minute. But when you're ready, you'll up the tempo to 112 for your performance of solo number 5. So let's get started and play the first line or the introduction of the solo. Ready? 1, 2, and 1, 2, ready, first line. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. 1, and 3, and a 4. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. 1, and a 2, and 3. Let's play that again. 1, 2, ready, first line. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. 1, 2, and 3, and a 4. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. 1, and a 2, and 3. The next two lines are a repeated section, first time forte, the second time piano. Let's play lines 2 and 3. We'll take the repeat and play the dynamics. Ready? And 1, 2, first time loud. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 a 3 4 and 1 and a 2 a 3 and a 4 a 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 a 3 and 4 a 1 and 2 and a 3 softly 1 and 3 and 1 and 2 and a 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 a 3 4 and 1 and a 2 a 3 and a 4 a 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 a 3 and 4 a 1 and 2 and a 3. Now we're down to line number 4, and we're going to play the next repeated section. This is lines 4, 5, and 6. We'll only play it once without the repeat. 4, 5, and 6. And 1, 2, line 4, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, a 4, a 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, a 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2, a 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and 3. Now that section gets repeated one more time. We're moving on though for the last 4 lines of our solo. Here we go. 1, 2, last 4 lines, ready, go. 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, and 3, and 1, a 2, a 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 3, and 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. 1, and 3, and a 4. 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4. A 1 and a 2 and 3 and 4. A 1 and a 2, a 3 and a 4. A 1 and a 2 and 3 and a 4. How did you do with that last 4-line section? If you need to, repeat or review back. Remember, with all of these videos, you can pause, practice, and then rewind and repeat as you need to. Make sure you're always using a metronome, though, to give you that solid, steady rhythm to play your rhythms along with. So now it's your turn to go back and see if you can play solo number 5, and then see if you can play it at the recommended metronome marking of 112 beats per minute. So until I see you next time, keep drumming.